Hello, this is my first video in English. I'm using Google Translator, so I apologize if any words sound strange to you. In this video, I will teach you how to remove the buy button, in your down theme on Shopify. To do this, go to Shopify, click on Virtual Store. Click in Customize, click on Approach in the Store, and click on Buy Buttons. Approach Store, Buy Buttons, deactivate the Show Dynamic Checkout Buy Buttons and you're all set. Então, deactivate, save. Button removed. Ok?